Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called deepest leaf sum. So let's solve it. Given the root of a binary tree, return the sum of values of its deepest level. So we've been given a binary tree and we have to return the sum of the leaf nodes which are at the deepest level. So for example here, the deepest node in the left subtree is 7 and deepest node in the right subtree is 8. Therefore 7 plus 8 is 15. Similarly, when we draw this tree, we get the deepest level sum as 19. Okay. So what we'll do is that it's a very simple sum which you can do by recursion as well by DFS, or maybe you can do depth iterative level order traversal. So here I will be doing level order traversal, and it is something similar to what we do. Like it's extremely similar to level order code, just that we have to add one variable which stores the sum of the last level, and we return that variable. So let's code it. So in level order traversal, what we do is we first make a queue, tree node star, let's call it queue. Then we push the root. All right, now I create a variable sum. Okay, now while q dot empty is equal to false. So while q dot is not empty, okay, till that time we'll be doing the what do you call, we will be looping through the tree, and at every level we'll be adding an element to the queue, and we'll be checking if that is giving us an empty queue. If it gives the empty queue, that means we have reached the last leaf of the tree, and therefore we need to get out of the loop. Now uh, I'll be making a variable count which gives us the size of the queue. Now I'll loop through int I is equal to 0, I is less than count I plus plus. So why have I put this for loop? Because I want to loop through that particular level. So if the queue size is something, for example 3, so I know that the size of that level is 3. So for example, one subtree might be having left and right, and the other subtree might be having only left. So the size of the queue becomes 3. So that for basically looping through that level, we need to take the size of the queue, and uh, by that we can get the value of a particular element on that level of the tree. So this would loop through the uh, that level, and then I will create a variable, a node current, which will store the value which is at the front of the queue. Front is the first element of the level order traversal. The first element would be added into the current node. All right, and then I will pop that from the queue. All right, now uh, okay, so we have stored some variable. As I told you, we only need to create one more variable sum, which will basically store the answer for us. And sum is equal to 0, I initialize it here. Okay, for every level I initialize the sum is equal to 0. So we know that when it is at the last level, it will take the sum of the whole level as we loop through the size of the queue at the last level. So sum plus is equal to current value. All right, now we check that if current left is not equal to null, then we do q dot push currents left. All right, if current right is not equal to null, then we do q dot push current right. All right. Now, uh, basically we have almost done the code. We only have to return the sum here. All right. Return sum. Okay. So summing up, I made a queue. Queue will store the elements at each tree level. So for starting, I push the root. Then we go to the next element, next level. Okay. Now we know that the queue is not empty because we have pushed the root. So now we take the queue size, which is 1. So we loop through one time and we store the left part of the root and the right part of the root into the queue. Okay. Now we know that the size becomes 2. Similarly, we also have a variable sum which uh, you know gets the sum of all the element on that level. Okay. Similarly, we loop through every level till the time we reach the last level, and we know that we are keeping the count of we are keeping the sum of that level into the sum variable, and whatever answer that we get from the sum variable is the sum of the deepest level nodes. Okay. So I think this should be fine. Let's run it. Okay, that works. So I hope you guys understood the problem. Do solve it. It's a simple level order traversal implementation. So thank you.